Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my class, General English for Business. Okay, in this session, we're going to talk about conversation on phone, and it's about leaving and returning a message. So in this case, you are trying to catch someone to talk about something, especially in business world, but unfortunately, that one is not there. So you need to leave a message for him or for her. And then also, when you get a message from someone, when he or she tried to catch you, but you were not there, you can also return the message, how to respond their message. Okay, now let's see one by one. So the first one is leaving a business phone message. Okay, here are the steps. Okay, it could be a living professional phone accepted by someone or accepted by voicemail. Okay, so you need to leave a voicemail message sometimes. First, think it through first. It means that you have to think what you're going to say. What is the message that you want to leave? Okay. And then introduce yourself. Don't forget to introduce yourself, who you are. Okay. And if you are in a company, what your position is, also you can say that. And then speak slowly so the receiver will understand you very clearly. Also, speak clearly. So you have to speak slowly and clearly so it will be easy to understand. And then mention your availability. When you are available, something like that. Keep it short and nice. Keep the message short and nice. Don't be too long, okay? And use good language, good, what is it? Diction, okay? Make sure your details are clear, okay? Besides, you have to speak slowly and clearly, also give the details clearly. All right. And the voice mail professionally, because this is for business life or professional life. Of course, you have to end it also professionally. And then try to practice. Okay. All right, now here is the most important things to be mentioned. First, introduction. You have to mention who you are, tell your name and your reason for calling, and then request. Asking the one you need to talk to call you back. Okay, after you leave the message, what you want or your intention, please ask them or ask the person to call you back. And then, because you want them to call you back, of course, you need to leave your telephone number. Don't forget that. All right. Now, the second one is returning a business phone message. The first one is how to leave the message, and this one, the second one, is how to return or how to respond the message. Okay, when someone leave a message for you. Okay, here are the steps. Gather information in advance before you respond. Please gather information as much as possible regarding the topic. The second one, return calls promptly. Don't make anyone or don't make someone who leave you a message wait for too long. Okay, be professional and thorough. Be specific. Set aside time during your day to return phone calls in a quiet, private environment. So don't make a call or don't return the call in a very crowded place. And don't forget, no matter how busy you are, please set aside a time during your busy hours. Okay. Avoid making or returning phone calls when you are driving in a busy or loud venue or when you are multitasking. So you have to, as the previous item said, that you have to return phone calls in a quiet, private environment. Don't do it when you're driving or when you are at a cafe, for example, or when you have a lot of things to do. Like, for example, you are making call and at the same time you do something else. Okay, please avoid that. All right, use caution when returning phone calls and disseminating information that is private, confidential, or sensitive in nature. Okay. So you have to make sure how to keep them. Okay, because some information should be kept a secret, as secret. Okay. So yeah, that's all how to make or how to leave a message and how to return the message when you get some messages from someone. Okay, thank you so much for your attention. See you next session. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.